Disagreed. All crew, please proceed to your boat stations. All crew, please proceed to boat master station. I say again, disagreed.
Boat station, go ahead. Yes, crew alternator, except captain. Okay, I'm still on the bridge. Okay, make sure that they know their duties and responsibilities. Okay, sir. Have a safe duty.
Bringing chart.
Yeah.
It's the chart. Chart and sit up.
Where's your chart?
What may backup? Logbook and
Third officer D. What's your duty?
Bring to way VHF, India B. Let's go.
Okay, third officer, Orange.
Second officer, ensure all hatches are closed. Every person on lifeboat seated. Bring start, handbook, sit up.
Okay, fifth engineer.
Bring important documents. Church lifeboat.
Okay, second engineer.
Start sprinkler system and air system.
Air supply system, okay. Third engineer.
Check that the lifeboat is ready.
Okay, fourth engineer.
Assist second engineer for sprinkler and air system.
Okay, AB Edward.
This chief officer.
Okay, AB Carlos.
Limo black phone tashing.
Okay, AB Ronaldo.
So, assist third officer, bring BHF radio.
Okay, Arthur Alvin.
Assist second engineer.
Arthur Doyle.
Assist third engineer for prepare launching.
Ted Cook.
Bring blankets, provision, and fresh water, sir.
Gaspan.
Bring blanket, provision, and fresh water, sir.
Okay, Cadet.
Assist, chief mate.
Yes, boat station. And the duty is for the each crew. They are already clear their duty. Over. Okay, their duty is clear. Check the proper donning of life jacket if they have done it properly. Okay, sir.
Jackets. Lights.
That is okay. Whistle.
It's okay?
Bridge.
Boat station.
Okay, boat station. The crew check their life jacket. The left side is in good working condition with the window also good working condition. Over. Okay, noted on that. So they can remove the life jacket and start to prepare to enter the lifeboat to be familiarized with entering the boat in order. Okay, remove the life jacket and start entrance the lifeboat. 50% only, and after that, the next 50%. Okay, sir, copy that. Order.
Okay. Okay, ganyan. Lang, ganyan. Ay, sige. Oh, sige, sir. Yan. Okay. Lang.
Enter the first group crew already exited from the main boat, and the second group is ready to enter the boat. Over. Okay, so the first group was already completed, can come in the bridge, except for the new on-signer, so they need to be familiar on the starting of the engine. Okay, sir.
Okay mo, niyan mo, gawin mo lang muna. Okay ka lang, okay sign.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir, tago mo na sir. Okay sign yun, okay sign.
Okay, sign.
Sir, okay sign. Sir, okay na. Sa inyo. Okay sign. Okay sign. Okay na, okay na. Huwag ka na.
Battery, okay.
Battery, naka-video yan.
Testing of both engines with battery 1 and
Battery number 1.
110 and air, compressed air.
Sige. To start this live boat, first check this battery selector. You can choose battery number 1 or number 2 or both. For now, we select battery number 1. After that, we switch this ignition switch to switch on. Switch on. And then after that, we can push this start button. Start. To operate this air supply valve, this is the tanks. Have to open this one.
Sarang.
Okay.
Okay, full open.
Pumasok. Ilan?
Okay.
Nice, close. Okay.
Okay. This is the gears, speed and gears. Ahead, neutral, astern. Okay. 20 pump daw sir eh. 5, 6, 7. Lightings. This is the switch for lightings. Okay. Accommodation lights, search lights. Check. Okay. And this indicating light outside. All lights are working. Okay. The light is okay, sir?
Okay, lights on.
And then if we going to stop this light bulb, vice versa. Okay, switch off the lights. And then switch off, stop button. Switch off, stop. And then ignition, switch to switch off. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
start the debriefing for the boat drill. So boat drill, you have carried out mastering within the 3 minutes of alarm. So that is good, and the wearing of life jacket was carried out well. All life jackets were in perfect condition. Everything is working, the whistle, the lights, so that is good. Reporting of stations and checking of duties and responsibilities is okay as well. Everyone knows their duties and responsibility, and make sure to review it from time to time. Okay, make sure that there are extra provisions, blankets, and navigational charts by the use of this C-Tab is also brought with us. Testing of the boat engine is carried out well, and the air is also conducted. The air test of the compressed air is also done. So make sure that you are well aware of the operation of the lifeboat engine and also the proper launching of it all the time. Okay, so thank you for it.